So what's going on, guys? I'm back here after a long period of time that I was up to the ears with many projects. And so today we're going to look at navigation in Maya. So to do that, you need a combination of one keyboard key and one mouse click. And it is necessary to have three button mouse. So let's get started. To orbit the camera, all you have to do is just hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and click and drag with your left mouse button. So as you can see, I'm rotating the camera by moving the mouse from left to right, or right to left, or up and down, or like drawing a circle. To zoom in and zoom out, instead of using your left mouse button, now you use your right mouse button and click and drag right mouse button from left to right to zoom in and right to left to zoom out. Very easy. And finally, to pan or move the camera, now you use your middle mouse button and still holding down the Alt key and click and drag your middle mouse button to move or pan the camera. So that is navigation. It is very easy and still very important in Maya. So you need to do a couple of times to get familiar with it. So now move on to creating objects in the scene. So there are many different ways to create objects in the scene. So you can go straight to create menu on the top bar. And there are also many types of objects as well. For example, polygonal primitives, lines, cameras, curves, etc. So for example, I go to polygonal primitives and click on sphere. So as you can see here, the sphere is created at the center of the coordinate. Now I create another one by repeating the same process. Create polygonal primitives, and now I click cylinder. Then I move it to the side. You can also create objects interactively by go to create polygonal primitives and check to interactive creation. So as you can see here, I create a cube, for example, by interact with the scene to create the size of the object. Now let's pay a little attention to the cells here. As I told you in the previous video that the shortcuts can imitate the tools in the menus. So instead of you can go to create menu, you can click on these icons to create objects quickly. I click on sphere to create sphere at the center. I click sphere again. I click on cube. I click on cylinder. Or you can change tab and click on any type of object that you want to create. So that's it from me for today, and take care. See you in the next video.